With European tilt and turn windows, you can connect units together to make a bank of units. You can do whole curtain wall with connectors. And the most popular connector, which is very slim connector but very reinforced, is this connector, where it can have reinforcement plate inside when you have the additional rib, and you can see it here. It has galvanized steel reinforcement in the middle and click in profiles, where you just clicking in one unit to another unit, screwing them together. So one end can be sticking out mushroom cap end, another end can be either flat, or this reinforcement can be double-sided. Depends on the height of your construction, depends on the height of your units combined together. Make sure you don't have the lateral deflection. You'll install either the shorter version of it or longer version of it. And when you installing these, important steps to do is, first, you install the metal frame and you screw in this metal reinforcement with the screws into the galvanized steel here. So these have to be pre-drilled, and the screw goes from this side right through here. You do the metal piece, then you click in plastic pieces on both ends. You add another one. Use the C-clamps. Use the C-clamps or use the vice grip, to clamp them together. And you put another screw right through, like in here, to connect all of them together. You connect all of them together, then you place the units and continue with your frame.